Anand Adyar. So this is our main driver. He's been driving for what? 10 years?
25 years.
And
25 years experience in driving.
And that's our co-driver who's helping with the directions.
Who doesn't like tabla but likes everything else.
Say hi to the camera. Hello. Vlogging. So Hampi is now 2 hours away and 3 hours away, and I have been accompanied by these people. Move the cameras around me. So we'll meet you in Hampi. So as you can see, we have a huge built-in place. We just rotate around to see. So please are covering the rest of it, but come. Everything looks so beautiful. Look at the green,
Anisha?
the gradients of green that you can see on that mountain. It's just so beautiful. Look at this! Oh my god, this is so pretty! This comes on the route to Hampi. I have no idea what this place is called, but do stop by here whenever you visit Hampi. It's so nice. I really used to think Hampi was all about the ruins and the architecture and everything, but it's way more than that. It's so beautiful. Hello guys, अभी हम तुंगभद्रा लेक के पास हैं.
Yes.
2 sentences of तुंगभद्रा लेक.
I think it's the biggest lake in Hampi and the dam is awesome.
You think it's the biggest?
I think that's the dam and the whatever
I
thing.
think it's refinery or what about you? Say two sentences on Tungabhadra Dam.
Beautiful.
And that's a word, dude. 2 sentences on
ये तो-
Tungabhadra Dam.
Water
People are
recycling.
very shady and you can do water submission anywhere.
What is
If you're a guy.
focus there?
क्या भाई? पानी पानी है चारों तरफ. भाई.
2 sentences on Tungabhadra Dam.
Dam, and I don't know where it is.
It's a dam or a lake?
River, Tungabhadra
River
River.
Moyer.
River है.
रिवर तुंगभद्रा रिवर है बट उसके वो डैम का ये पानी है बैक वाटर लगा है.
Those are the stairs. And I think this is 15 meter deep. That's what it mentioned in the. Here the King's Audience Hall. This is where King would discuss solutions and things of that sort. And this is one of the most royal enclosures that the king had. Come, let's take it. But the details are over here. So lucky, right? By the way, that there, where the people are standing, do you see that? That's supposed to be the swimming pool for the queens. So many tourists out there.
क्या है ये शब्द में?
भाई यहाँ से जाके उसमें जाना तो बहुत ही अच्छा ऑपरेटर। हाँ चले और हम भी जब तक बच्चा देख तेरा फोन।
Welcome to Veerpaksha temple. Such a beautiful temple, and we are here at 7:20. So the elephant bowing starts around 8 a.m. So make sure you're on time here. Come on. Inside the temple, and this part of the temple is very interesting. So the light from there comes over to here, and you can see the temple. It's very interesting. So interesting. There's hydrogen, helium, and lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon everywhere, nitrogen all through the air, oxygen so you can breathe. Something oxygen.
क्या था ऑक्सीजन?
मिल गया हमें।
नाइट्रोजन के बाद ऑक्सीजन आता है।
ऑक्सीजन 8 होता है, नाइट्रोजन ठीक है 7 होता है। 9 पता नहीं क्या होता है।
ऑक्सीजन
Chlorine.
हाँ, क्लोरीन का ये pretty. So we are on the Kampupupa pathway. So this connects the Virupaksha marketplace and the Chakratirtha, and you can see this beautiful river, which is the Tungabhadra. So beautiful. So we are at the Darodi Slot Bear Sanctuary, and that's the watchtower. From the place where the entrance starts, we were picked up by a van, after which we reached here. Yeah, we have a lovely cameraman doing all the efforts. So yeah, this is the one. On the top of the watchtower, the binoculars have a crazy resolution. You can just. So we have just found a bear somewhere there, but yeah.
ज़ूम हो तो रहा है इससे। बाकी बहुत बड़ा दिखता है, बहुत छोटा दिख रहा है।
But yeah, quite an experience. One of the most craziest places in Hampi. Follow me. Something that you won't ever expect in Hampi. We have a mini Dubai.
फर्स्ट वर्ड्स
गाइस हो सकता है कि मैं आपसे आखिरी बार मिल रहा हूँ आज।
गाइस नज़ारा अच्छा है,
याद रखना मेरे उसूलों को। अगले सेशन में कोई काम ना करेगा।
Smoking kills.
गाइस हमारी गाड़ी पंचर हो चुकी है एंड अब हम चल के जा रहे हैं और गाड़ियाँ बहुत